How to lock your WhatsApp profile picture. This tutorial shows you how to control who can view your profile photo for better privacy. First, open the WhatsApp application on your Android device. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Following that, tap on Settings from the drop-down options. Now, tap on Privacy to access your privacy settings. Moving forward, scroll down and tap on Profile Photo to adjust who can see your picture. Afterwards, you'll see three privacy options for your profile picture. In addition to that, you can choose Everyone, My Contacts, or My Contacts Except. Once there, tap on My Contacts if you want only people in your contact list to see your profile picture. Subsequently, this will hide your profile picture from anyone who isn't saved in your phone's contacts. Moreover, if you select My Contacts Except, you can choose specific contacts to exclude from viewing your picture. Afterwards, tap on the contacts you want to exclude and they won't be able to see your profile photo. Then, tap Done to save your privacy settings. Within moments, your profile picture visibility will be updated according to your selection. Alternatively, selecting Everyone allows anyone with your phone number to see your profile picture. Once locked, people who can't view your picture will only see a blank default avatar instead. And that's it. If this profile picture privacy guide helped you secure your WhatsApp, drop a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp privacy tutorials, and hit the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.